Read reviews that most people are talking about. PLZ, Single DIN Car Radio Stereo System, Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Bluetooth 5.3, Audio Receiver, 4.2 CHN Preamplifier 240 Watt. Subwoofer, Backup Camera, 10.1-inch HD Touchscreen, FM/AM, SWC. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control. This adaptable head unit offers the choice of wired or wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, free to connect as prefer. Switching the convenience of wireless connectivity or the reliability of a wired connection. Plus, with voice control through Apple Siri or Google Assistant, effortlessly manage calls, access navigation, control music, and more, all without taking hands off the wheel. It's a safer, smarter, and more convenient way to navigate, communicate, and enjoy drive. High-fidelity sound quality with built-in DSP. Built-in DSP, digital signal processing, system ensures every note, beat, and melody is precisely tuned for perfection. The 10-band EQ grants full control over music, to sculpt the sound to exact preferences. Inclusion of 2 subwoofers takes bass to new depths, delivering resounding and deep bass output that resonates throughout vehicle. The result is an audio experience that's nothing short of a masterpiece, turning every drive into a captivating symphony of sound. High-quality Bluetooth connection with independent Bluetooth 5.3 module and extra antenna. Experience top-tier Bluetooth connectivity with the latest smart chip, complemented by an extra chip for superior performance. This head unit also features an independent Bluetooth 5.3 model, accompanied by an extra antenna, reducing signal interference, minimizes electronic noise, and a smoother and more stable connection. Whether it's for hands-free calling or wireless music streaming, designed to keep seamlessly connected, even in challenging environments, providing a clear and reliable link for your driving needs. Immersive 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen and wired mirror link. Suitable for most car single DIN/double DIN dash openings. Effortlessly connect compatible devices, enabling to enjoy videos and other content on the expansive 10.1-inch IPS HD touchscreen. With a dazzling resolution of 1920 x 1080p, every image and video comes to life with stunning clarity, vivid colors, and breathtaking detail. Whether streaming videos, playing games, or engaging in productivity apps, this high-quality display ensures a captivating and enjoyable viewing experience. Car's infotainment system becomes a portal to entertainment, making every journey an unforgettable visual adventure. Safety driving features. Enhance your driving safety with supporting a front view camera, providing a clear and real-time view of the road ahead, enhancing safety and visibility. The included HD rear backup camera makes parking and reversing a breeze, with high-quality video and a wide viewing angle, improving parking and maneuvering visibility. Enjoy the convenience of steering wheel control, effortlessly managing essential functions without taking hands off the wheel. It's a comprehensive safety and convenience package designed to make your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Versatile connectivity hub and fast charging. Multiple ports for video and audio in and outputs, 4 sound outputs and 2 inputs, 1 video outputs and 1 outputs. Front and rear camera inputs ensure comprehensive visual coverage and enhance safety during maneuvers, 2 subwoofer outputs for an enriched audio experience. USB wired mirror link feature for seamless connectivity with compatible devices, benefit from 3A fast charging, ensuring your devices stay powered up for the entire journey. This is Video Create by Video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.